Hi YouTube. So here we are, another unboxing, box 87 of the mystery taco box series. Let's see what's inside this one. So lately these have been sold out of my local Walmart. I'm not sure if I'll continue to do this series, but if I find them, maybe in a different number, I might pick up a box or two. So let's find our list of what's inside. Okay, so first off is this Banshee. Looks like it's this one here. This is a very nice lure. I don't have one of these. This is the first one that I received in the mystery tackle box. It looks like it's a quality lure. Decent colors in the fire tiger pattern. It says here it dives 6 to 8 feet regardless of retrieve speed. So I could crank it down pretty slow and then be 6 to 8 foot. Very nice. Might work here on some trout in our deeper lakes up here. This is a repeat bait. I got this same color in the previous box. Well, just another backup. So next up is these Eagle Claw spinner baits. They're kind of generic. I did get the same pack in a box prior to this. So, if you don't mind fishing spinners and losing them, backups are important. This is very intriguing. I want to do some ice fishing this year. If our lakes are frozen enough, I think this bait might get pulled out sometime in December. I'm definitely looking forward to going ice fishing this year. According to the Farmer's Almanac, we're going to have some early snowfall, so that means our lakes might be frozen over pretty early. We might get a good ice fishing season. These ones I cannot believe I got doubles of. I got 2 of this Castaic spinnerbait. The last trout season was phenomenal. I got my PBs in rainbow trout and albino trout with these. I'm hoping to catch some more trout on them. I lost a few of them the last time. Here's their sticker. Very nice graphics, looks pretty fun. I might put it on my kayak. All in all, I think this was a very decent box. Here's the tips that we got in our dibble. Don't forget to read your dibble, it always has some very important tips in there. Yeah, very, very good box this time. Some good old repeats, and a couple intriguing new baits. This one's very intriguing, and then the good old Castaic spinner. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy these, what's inside the mystery tackle box. Until next time.